Horses out, Lufa. Pass to begin, moving a party out. So now Super Duper. In between horses, Bodman's Bounty, Enigmatic, Danori inside, Iris Smile. Moving a party outside, Raymond Star, King's Treasure, Prince Dugo. Winner take all, Winning Habit. And number 2, Mika's Pride is the early thriller. And going along for the first turn, Lupa, Bayoralenka. Danori inside is Bodman's Bounty, Enigmatic in the middle, and on the outside, Super Duper, King's Treasure is racing in Puipa. Then moving up now on the outside is Raymond Star. Together is Winner Take All, Iris Smile, Mika's Pride, and on the outside, Prince to Go and Winning Habit. They swing into the back. It's now 1A, or rather 2A, Super Duper running by the Lelupa. Raymond Star now trying to get closer in third, Enigmatic. We've got Super Duper running by the Rupa, moving up Raymond Star on the outside. Enigmatic running by the Raymond Star is on the outside second. But it's still Enigmatic. Raymond Star is on the outside, fighting it out for the leader. As they come down at the last 150. Raymond Star moving up on the outside to take the leader. Enigmatic draws back in second. Last 100 meters. We have Raymond Star this time by about 2 lines over Enigmatic. Entering the finish line, it's Raymond Star. Enigmatic, Winner Take All, Winning Habit, King's Treasure.
10, 8, 7,